Is this where you found them?
By the garbage.
They ran up to you?
When I was walking back to the feet, the other one, they was out. There was 2 of them.
All right. Oh, there you have them. You kept them here. Oh my God, you're such a good human being. Oh my gosh.
You need to carry them?
They are tiny.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I wanted to get rid of
Oh
those.
my God.
Yeah.
They are.
They come up to me.
They drank the water
Yes, ma'am.
and they ate a little bit of
A little
that.
bit of food. Yeah.
All right.
You need to carry them?
No, you want the carrot, I'm sure, for you. The rest.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
sure you're, yeah, we'll take.
Okay. You can't catch her. She gonna run.
I wonder if it's her babies. I can't tell. Oh yeah, they look like her babies.
Huh?
Yeah,
They her?
they're hers.
What?
Yeah.
She didn't.
You are a bone.
Hmm?
Can you open that for me?
What's wrong with it?
Bony.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm saying. They little.
Come here, little monkey.
Oh.
They're
I feel bad for them.
they are so bony. Here, hold on. I know. I know. Oh shit. Come on. Oh, sorry. Did I grab? Did I step in you? You're fine. You have more of a chance living now.
Yeah, that's what I said. You was my last. I had to think about. I know I got somebody that'll come help me out.
I'll call that girl Crazy Carol to come get them.
I said I know I got somebody.
Well, thank you for calling me.
Yes, ma'am.